Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Corporate Talks. In this video, we will see 10 or 10 plus softwares or tools which can be used in the field of environmental engineering, irrespective of the fact whether you are a student, research scholar, or someone in the field of working in the field of environmental engineering. These tools or softwares can be very helpful to you, and the good point is most of these tools or softwares are open source. That means they are available freely. Therefore, uh, it is very advisable to use these softwares, and hence I request you to stay till last. So the first software or tool to manage your references and citations is Mendeley or Zotero. Mendeley is available for free. Zotero, I don't know if it is available for free or not. I have never used Zotero, but Mendeley is available for free. Whenever you are documenting any research article or any document, you need to do citations of your research papers, and hence you can Mendeley can be very helpful. Let me show you from where you can download Mendeley as well as how to do citations using Mendeley. So to download Mendeley for desktop, you just Google Mendeley desktop and you will get these links from where see the first link, Mendeley desktop. From here, just accept all the cookies and you can get download now. From there you will get Mendeley. Since I already have Mendeley, so I'm not downloading it now. I'll show you how to do citations using Mendeley. Okay, so now I will show you how to do citations using Mendeley. This is a Word document where I have written some of my suppose lines or a paragraph which I want to cite. So the wastewater quality is poor. Now I want to make some citation of any research paper. So for that you need to open your references, and here you will see insert citation. Now to get this thing you need to have first Mendeley, and in that Mendeley you need to install MS plugin. So this is my Mendeley's home page. From here you can see tools and uninstall MS Word plugin. This is showing me uninstall because I have already installed. Since you if you are the new user, then you would have not installed MS Word plugin. Therefore here it will show you install MS Word plugin. Install that MS Word plugin, and from here file, add files, add all the research papers which you want to cite, and then after after completing all those things, now I want to cite that paper. So I'll cite now, write the name of author, say Chen. uh, okay, now I want to cite this paper, so say okay. So his name is coming. Now here if I want to give the bibliography, then I just have to go here, uh, insert bibliography, and now it has automatically given you the bibliography. You can change the style of bibliography from here. Okay. Another important thing which we as a environmental engineer need to do again and again is data processing, statistical analysis, or graphical representation. We usually have a lot of data, maybe say wastewater characteristics, water characteristics, or let's say the characteristics of air or solid waste. We have usually a lot of data and we need to process those data to attain certain results, and sometimes we need to do statistical analysis such as principal component analysis, or maybe Pearson correlation, Spearsman correlation, or you need sometimes to draw even graphs. I know a lot of people can do beautiful graphical representations from MS Excel itself, but a lot of things in MS Excels are not possible, and in that case you can use either you can use Origin Pro. Origin Pro for students is available for free. I think IBM SPSS is also available for free for students, but at least I'm sure about Origin Pro. I use both these softwares. I use Origin Pro more compared to SPSS, but SPSS is a more powerful software. I That is my personal choice. However, because Origin Pro is available freely for students, and hence I use this more, especially for drawing graphs and statistical analysis. I'll show you from where you can download Origin Pro and use it. Okay, to download Origin Pro, you just need to Google Origin Pro. You will get this link. Go to this link and go there, purchase. From purchase, you need to go to new orders. In new orders, go to the link for student. And in student, here you can see learning edition. This is free for 6 months. You can use this from here, and you can download and use this Origin Pro software. Okay, so once you download Origin Pro, this is the uh, homepage of Origin Pro. You can use this. See, this is sort of Excel. You can copy paste your data over here, and it is very convenient to do any sort of analysis. See, there are many options for doing statistical analysis, statics. If you want to do all this ANOVA and all those analysis are available here. If you want to plot graphs, here you can find all sort of graph, bar charts, text, floating columns, everything is there. So Origin Pro comes very handy in doing data processing or uh, doing preparing graphs. Okay, to download IBM SPSS, just Google IBM SPSS. There is this first link. Go to this first link, and from here you can see there are two options. Either you can buy it per month USD $99, or you can use try SPSS statistics for free. यहाँ पे जाओ, go here and fill all the details required, and then you will get this. They will send you a link to verify, and then after that you can download free version of IBM SPSS, which you can use for 1 month, and if it is suitable to you, then you may buy it. Now, a lot of time we have, as a researcher or as an environmental engineer, we have some data in the form of image. Say if you get nanoparticles, so you want to see or you want to check how many nanoparticles are there in your what is the particle size distribution of nanoparticles. In that case, ImageJ software comes very handy. ImageJ software is available freely, and you can use it for doing checking particle size distribution of your nanoparticles. There are few more applications for ImageJ software as well. To download ImageJ software, just Google ImageJ software and go to the first link. From here you can select for which platform you want to download, and then you can download. Since I already have ImageJ software, so I'll open it directly. So this is the tools for ImageJ. Just like this, you can open it anywhere in Chrome, in Word, in MS Excel, whatever you want. And from here you can go to open your photo or picture which you want to do processing, and then you can use them to do a lot of picture processing and optimizing and designing your experiments. Design expert comes very handy. What happens whenever you are designing your experiment, there are n number of parameters which you need to optimize. Say there are 5 parameters: time, pH, temperature, acidity, or something. Sorry, acidity and pH are same. uh, let's say RPM. If you are rotating it like that, you are having more 5 6 parameters. Now these parameters affect your experiment in different way, each of these parameters. So you want to know the optimized values for these parameters, or if you want to perform response surface methodology, all those things can be done using design expert software. Design expert software is not available freely to the best of my knowledge. However, for students you may get it for free, and you must use it while using your designing your experiments. Download design expert. Just google design expert and go to this first link. This is the website for the software, for the company from where design expert can be purchased. Go to the software and select design expert. From design expert, go down, and here you can see free trial. From this free trial you may get design expert for free. However, I'm not sure because here they are saying state is 360-degree software trial. So I'm not sure if this is a package wherein design expert is inbuilt. I have not used it, that's why I'm not telling you very confidently. However, if you want to buy, you can do buy it from here. See, these are the prices. So this is very high, and that's why I don't recommend it. But if you are in a university or in an office, then so universities and offices, they purchase its license, and you can use it. So for mapping and geopositioning of your object, you can use ArcGIS and QGIS. ArcGIS is a pro uh, software. That means you have to pay the software to use it. However, QGIS is freely available software, and most of my work gets completed using QGIS. So I do not use ArcGIS. However, because to purchase or to use ArcGIS you need to pay money, therefore this is more powerful. It has more smoother experience compared to QGIS. I'll show you how to use QGIS as well. So when you are doing any project, you need sometimes to show the map of your objects, what you are working with, or maybe the location of your sampling points. Maybe it is water or solid waste or whatever it is. Such mapping can be done using QGIS. A lot of work can be done using QGIS or ArcGIS, not just mapping, a lot of work. To download QGIS, just Google QGIS, go to this first link, and from here you can go on download now. From download now you can select for which system you want, Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever you want. You can select and download it from there. QGIS is sufficient for beginners, and a lot of functions are available in QGIS. You can use it for mapping for your project purpose. However, if you want a more powerful system, then you should go for ArcGIS. However, ArcGIS is not available for free. QGIS is available for free. ArcGIS is available only after you pay money. So, but let's see pricing. You can download ArcGIS from this website. Uh, ArcGIS desktop pricing. Okay, so they have not shown the prices here, but this it is quite expensive. So again, if you are in an institute, organization, or university, then those people have bought ArcGIS license, so you can use that. Otherwise, go for QGIS as a beginner, and that will be sufficient. Now, when you are writing a scientific write-up or a sentence framing, uh, Grammarly and ChatGPT comes very handy. Grammarly, some version is freely available while most others are paid, and ChatGPT is freely available. So this is something which not this is not specific to environmental engineer. This is for anyone who is working, who is having a job, who needs to write or prepare some documents. Should must use Grammarly and ChatGPT. These are very helpful tools, and this will help you to smooth your work, to do better in your documenting work. In your work, just Google ChatGPT, go to the first link. Now this is the home page of ChatGPT. You can ask questions like let's ask enlist best environmental engineering institutes in INDIA. So he will give you the list of best environmental engineering institutes in India. Likewise, this is a very generalist question. You can ask technical questions also, and use it. Let's ask another technical questions. To what is the minimum dissolved oxygen required in water for fishes to survive? So it has given you the answer. Likewise, you can ask your technical questions. You can ask it to rephrase your sentences also in a more scientific or technical way. Now, when you need to do automation of your work, when your team gets expanded, you cannot do same work because it will take a lot of time. And hence, to do automation of your work, you should learn some of the coding languages. And Python and R are two languages which you must learn to do automation of your work. It will help you a lot in making automatic or making your process complete process in an automatic sense. So any language, but I what I recommend is Python or R should be used. So if you want to do air pollution modeling, not air pollution modeling, it is dispersion modeling, dispersion of pollutants, specifically from say smoke tower, then air mode software comes handy where you can use this modeling. It is based on Gaussian law. I hope so. It is based on Gaussian law, which shows how the particles get distributed when it comes out into atmosphere from a smoke tower. How and air mode software is not available for free, so you have to purchase this, but it is helpful in doing air dispersion modeling of pollutants. When I say pollutants, I mean those such as particulate matters, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, all those things can be designed, can be modeled using air mode software. To use air mode software for pollutant dispersion modeling, just Google air mode software and it will tell you about how it works. It is based on Gaussian law and all. However, I did not get a website wherein we can download it for free. Most probably it is available for uh, purchase on payment, so that's why I am not taking you to any of these websites because I could not find a free version of this. If you come across such a website where you get it that for free, do let me know in comment section. Now, do a planning of construction work. Now, for environmental engineer, where does construction comes? Construction comes when you are trying to lay sewer line, when you are trying to build a wastewater treatment plant, when you are trying to build some water treatment plant. You need to do some construction work, and hence to schedule the work, to execute the work properly, you need some software, and hence and there Bentley work package comes into play. You can use this to schedule all the works, all the tasks to be done. You can even manage the laborers, how and what they have to work on what day. Everything can be planned using Bentley work package software. Again, this is not a free software, you will have to pay to buy this, but this can be used for planning your complete construction work, not just in environmental field but even in other fields you can use this. If you want to design water distribution system or sewer distribution network, you can use water or sewer gems, which is from Bentley. Again, this is also not a free software, this is also a paid software, but it helps you to design the network of a water distribution system or to design the network of sewers to be laid down in a city. There are different water distribution network. You can use any of them and that could be designed using these softwares. So thank you, this is all I wanted to cover in this video for software on software for environmental engineers. Hope you liked it. Thank you.